Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, this is my second trip to Dollar General. The coupons are fire this week at Dollar General. If you're not out there, you better get out there because you are missing these deals. Before I go over everything and show you guys what I did and show you the glitches and the must-do deals, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscription button. Remember, guys, my goal is 15,000 subscribers by July 1st, and I'm counting on you guys to get me there. So come on, guys, let's jump right into the deal. The only thing that you're going to need to do these deals is going to be your DG app. That is it. You might want to take some notes, so you might want to get some paper and a pencil, and then you might also want to take some screenshots and listen very carefully, because one of these deals you have to do in a specific order, okay? So the very first thing that I grabbed is the Big Soleil razors, and I'm going to show you guys these. This is an excellent deal. It's like 2 packs, right? And there's a total of 10 razors. So there's 5 in each pack. See, it's 2 packs in one. Guys, this is an excellent deal because those razors are only $3.65. But today we got this $2 digital coupon that attaches. So that brings these razors down to just $1.65. Very good deal. Now, that coupon does attach to some men razors too. I just chose to get the women's razors because I really don't need any men's razors. I have enough of men's razors in my stockpile. So then the next thing that I grabbed were the Pantene shampoo and conditioners, the travel size. Now, guys, this is a glitch. So we don't know when this will end. So I'm just going to say that you need to go and you need to do the deal as soon as possible, because, again, we don't know when it's going to end. But the travel size are $1.75 each. So you want to grab 2. You can grab 2 shampoos, 2 conditioners, a shampoo and a conditioner, totally up to you. But just grab 2. Your total is going to be $3.50. Then you're going to clip this $2 digital coupon, okay? That will give you $2 off, and it'll bring it down to just $1.50. The reason I say this is a glitch is because this coupon is not supposed to work on travel sizes. It's supposed to be on the full size. So that'll make them $1.50 or 75 cents each. Now, something else that's interesting that is attaching to this, which I didn't do this deal, and I'll probably do it a little later in the week. But there is a coupon that we got today. It is a DG store coupon that when you spend $20 on P&G health and beauty products, you're going to save $5 on your next purchase. And what happens is that coupon, when you spend the $20, that $5 coupon will appear in your clipped coupon section. It will not print out at the bottom of your receipt. It's going to already be in your account. All right, so the next thing that I grabbed were the Airwick starter kits. Now, again, this deal is a glitch too, because it's not supposed to attach to the starter kits. The coupon that we're going to use is not supposed to attach to the starter kits. The coupon is supposed to attach to the refills. Okay, so what I did is I grabbed 2 of the essential oils kit, but it has to be the lavender and chamomile. It will not work on the other starter kits, okay? So you want to grab 2 of those. They're $4.25 a piece. And look, this BOGO coupon does attach. All right, so that means you'll get 2 of them for $4.25. Again, another great deal. Now, the last deal, I saved this for last because I want to make sure that you guys pay close attention to this deal, because there's a specific way that you have to do it in order to make it work to get the lowest out of pocket. So you want to go into your DG app and you want to clip this BOGO coupon. It is a BOGO coupon, buy one, get one free of the Ajax and Palmolive dish soap. And it has to be 40 ounce to 52 ounce only. That's the only way they will work, okay? Now, what I did is I grabbed one of each. First I grabbed the Ajax, which is a 52 ounce. That Ajax is actually $4, okay? Then I grabbed one of the Palmolives, and the Palmolive is 40 ounce. But the Palmolive is only $3.50, okay? Now, if you ring up the Ajax first and then ring the Palmolive up, what'll happen is the system will give you $4 off, whereas it should give you the $3.50 off because you're supposed to get the cheapest one for free. That's usually how a BOGO coupon works at Dollar General, but if you ring it up in that order, it tricks the system and it ends up giving you $4 off. So guys, I thought that was an excellent deal. But again, you have to ring the Ajax up first and then the Palmolive. So ring the most expensive one up first and then ring the Palmolive up. Now, you know, you can get two Ajaxes. If you get two Ajaxes, then you'll pay $4 for the two. But if you do it the way I did it, then you're going to pay $3.50 for the two. All right. Now, let me go over my receipt. So there's the Big Soleil razor for $3.65. You see the $2 digital coupon came off of that. There is the Pantene conditioner and shampoo at $1.75 each, $3.50. She rang up two conditioners instead of ringing up one conditioner and one shampoo, which I'm fine with because it's not like I'm taking them back. I use those for my Christmas baskets. But they total $3.50. You see that the $2 digital coupon came off of that. So you see there is the glitch confirmed. There is the two air wicks for $4.25, which equals the $8.50. And the $4.25 came off of that. That confirms that glitch. And then there is the Ajax for $4. You see I rang that up first. And then you see the whole total $4 digital coupon came off of that. And there's the Palmolive for $3.50. So my total was $10.90. You guys know we don't discuss tax because it's different in every city, state, and borough. But all of that I got for $10.90. So that's like paying $1.56 for each item. Guys, I'm absolutely happy with this haul. These are all things that I need. Things that I put in my baskets, things that I use for Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, and things I use for my bundles and for myself. So guys, that is it for me today. I promise you I will not be at Dollar General again today. But there you are. There's some deals for you. Go out. Let me know what you do. Let me know what your total was. And until the next time, keep on saving.